No sound coming from your Hisense Roku TV even though the picture is working fine? Don't worry, here are 4 easy fixes to restore audio and get the sound working again. So first, the thing you have to check your remote. Make sure you didn't accidentally press this mute button. Sometimes the TV gets muted, and even if you try to raise or lower the volume, you still won't hear any sound. So you just have to press the mute button a couple of times and make sure the mute icon with the cross disappears from your screen. But if everything looks fine here, let's try a quick reboot. So while your TV is turned on, just unplug the power cable from the wall outlet, and here you have to wait about 5 minutes. Then plug it back in and turn the TV on again. After that, check if the sound is working properly or not. Now let's check one important audio settings. Just go to settings, then audio and select audio output. So first try setting it to auto, and if it's already on auto, just switch it to built-in speaker instead and see if that fixes the issue. But if nothing works here, don't worry, we will try another settings. Just from your settings again, then system and open advanced system settings. And from here, select factory reset, then choose reset TV audio or picture settings. But before you do that, just remember this will set your audio and picture settings back to default. So if you're okay with that, just go ahead and reset it. Press the play or pause button 3 times, and once you do, a pop-up will appear confirming that all customized audio and picture settings have been successfully reset. So this can help fix different kinds of sound issues on your Hisense Roku TV. And that's it. Try all of the steps and hopefully one of them fixes your problem. Thanks for staying tuned with Fix369 till the end.